Lily is a beautiful girl who loves farming in her backyard every morning. She wakes up early sunlight casting a glow on her cheerful face. Her garden is bursting with vibrant vegetables and lush greenery. Every day Lily plants new seeds with careful, gentle movements. She often says, "Growing food is my favorite way to connect with nature." Children in her neighborhood admire her dedication and radiant smile. Lily shares tips with friends saying patience is key to a good harvest. She posts videos online showing her growing vegetables with enthusiasm. Her social media channel quickly becomes popular among eco-conscious viewers. One day she decides to create a short tutorial on planting tomatoes. Lily exclaims, "Watch how easy it is to grow your own food!" Her viewers love her lively personality and genuine passion. Every comment praises her dedication and beautiful smile. Lily encourages her followers saying, "Always believe in your green thumb." She spends afternoons watering her crops and singing cheerful songs. Her farm backyard is filled with the aroma of fresh herbs and vegetables. Lily loves sharing her harvest with neighbors and friends regularly. She often smiles and says, "Sharing what I grow makes me happier." One sunny day, she uploads a short clip of her harvesting carrots. Her fans comment, "Wow, your garden looks so lively and healthy." Lily laughs softly and replies, "Thanks, hard work really pays off." She enjoys making viral shorts that inspire others to start gardening. Her videos emphasize fun simplicity and the beauty of homegrown food. Lily believes anyone can grow vegetables with just a little effort. She shows how to compost kitchen scraps to enrich the soil naturally. Her phrases like "good soil equals great vegetables" become popular. Children watch her videos eagerly and ask their parents to start gardens. Lily loves seeing her community embrace healthier, sustainable living habits. Sometimes she films herself planting seeds while saying, "Building a future from soil." Her presence on social media encourages many to adopt eco-friendly lifestyles. Lily never forgets to smile in every video, radiating positivity and hope. She often reminds viewers, "Small steps lead to big changes, keep growing." Her backyard transforms into a lush green paradise admired by all. Lily's passion for vegetables and sharing knowledge makes her a star online. Fans call her a garden guru, appreciating her friendly, approachable style. She frequently hosts live Q&A sessions about sustainable gardening tips. Lily loves inspiring others to grow their own food and live naturally. Her clips aim to make gardening accessible and exciting for everyone. She ends each short with a warm message, "Stay green, stay happy." Lily always encourages her followers to share their own veggie stories. Her dedication shows that anyone can create a beautiful, productive garden. In her videos, she captures the joy of harvesting fresh, crunchy vegetables. Her charismatic personality makes her a viral sensation across platforms. Lily's story motivates countless viewers to start their own gardening adventures. Her love for vegetables and community shines through every social media post. She believes creating a garden is growing happiness itself. Lily's cheerful spirit and veggie-filled life inspire millions.